Hi guys, welcome to channel Phonefix and Baby. Today we have got a microscope from Mechanic. We have got two kinds of microscope, a trinocular microscope and a bilocular microscope. It's an optical system microscope. In this video we will unbox it, install it and show you how does it work. There is a trinocular microscope in this box. Now let's have a look what's inside. On this sponge box there is a mat. And what inside? All the accessories. This is the microscope cover. And the head holder. This is its head. Usually we install it here. Holder. Adapter. A rubber. It's adapted to collect the camera. It's screwdriver. 3 kinds of screwdriver. Here's also accessories. Now we will install it step by step. It's pillar. It's a very stable piece. Then the head holder. Make sure fasten the screw. Oh look, there are 2 screws. That is head. The screw. Now let's install the camera adapter. Use its screwdriver and this. Install the eyepieces. Here's a piece of eyepieces. It's WF1022. Fasten the screw. Then the eyepieces cover. It's planned and no decline. Add another eyepiece cover. There is a decline. The microscope also comes with the dust-proof mirror and with light. It can control with the button. Now let's observe the PCB through the eyepieces. Now we will collect the 4K camera with this microscope, and we use its HDMI cable to show it on the display, and then we will show this effect. It's topsy-turvy. In this video, we have shown you how to use this microscope and show the effect on this display. The microscope is very clear, and you must to adjust the through lobe at the same time. It's very clear, and the microscope can be used all kinds of soldering work, and you can buy it from our Phonefix shop. Bye.